They say every classic has a story, but this one was nearly lost to the sands of time. In the vast, unforgiving desert, under the soft glow of a setting sun, it sat in silence, a vintage Nissan Patrol from a bygone era. Its once proud beige paint was now faded and peeling, with rust patches telling tales of countless seasons. The tires were flat, the body caked in layers of dust and sand, and the windshield bore a network of cracks. It was a ghost of its former self, a forgotten titan waiting for a second chance. We knew we had to bring this legend back to life. The first step was a delicate rescue mission. A tow truck carefully navigated the harsh terrain to retrieve the dormant beast. With its wheels jammed and suspension collapsed, lifting the Patrol was a challenge. But soon it was on its way from the desolate landscape to our professional workshop. As it rolled into the brightly lit space, our team of mechanics stood ready. The contrast was stark. The weathered, neglected SUV now stood amidst a world of precision tools and expertise, signaling the beginning of its transformation. Next came the crucial deep cleaning process. We unleashed high-pressure water jets and thick foam, blasting away decades of accumulated grime. As the layers of mud and sand washed away, the Patrol's original boxy silhouette began to emerge. Every droplet of water highlighted the contours of the bodywork, revealing the true form that lay beneath the dirt. The cleansing was more than just a wash. It was an unveiling, preparing the canvas for the meticulous restoration that would follow. With the vehicle finally clean, the real work began. We undertook a complete disassembly, carefully stripping the Patrol down to its bare chassis. The doors, hood, engine, and suspension were all removed piece by piece until only the skeleton remained. Our team then tackled the extensive rust, grinding away the corrosion with a shower of sparks. Fresh metal was expertly welded into place, and the entire frame was sanded down to a perfectly smooth surface, creating a flawless foundation for its new life. The rebirth continued in the paint booth. A layer of primer was applied, followed by a fresh coat of the original factory-spec beige, finished with a deep, glossy shine. Simultaneously, the engine was completely rebuilt, with each component cleaned and reassembled for peak performance. The suspension and brakes were upgraded and installed, while the interior was painstakingly restored to its original glory, from the classic seats to the pristine dashboard. Finally, the moment of revelation arrived. The fully restored Nissan Patrol stood in showroom condition, its perfect beige paint gleaming under the lights. Outfitted with new tires and polished chrome, it was no longer a relic, but a masterpiece reborn. We took it back to a desert road, where it drove with a smoothness that defied its age. Gliding effortlessly under the bright sun, this vintage icon was back where it belonged, not as a forgotten wreck, but as a testament to enduring craftsmanship and a passion for restoration.